Hey, what's up everyone? So here we are going into the part 3 on doing this sub box for my truck, and I'm hoping it comes out great because it's my first time doing it. So I just got into carpet today, and that's what we're gonna go ahead and do, is put the carpet in there. And I didn't even get to do the wiring last time, so for this last part we'll do the carpet, wiring, and install basically the rest. I know it's gonna probably take me another day, but for right now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the carpet, but it will be part of this whole video till finishing. I don't want to make like 4 parts to this, it's nonsense, but let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so here's the box. I didn't get the chance to like record the whole thing because the camera died on me, so you know, I didn't do much of a great job on laying this carpet on there, but I did my best, you know. It's my first time doing it, so I know this first one isn't going to be the best, but you know, it'll do for now. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and wire these subs. So guys, I was recording and my camera ended up dying, and it was like really late at night that I was doing this. I ended up mounting everything on the box itself, and I know I was talking about something about the wiring. I had everything wired up to 2 ohms, but I was actually doing that wrong. What I was trying to do is keep everything at 4 ohms still. So I did that. I will put somewhere around here on how that goes wired up so you guys can see it. So let's wait for a moment and watch it appear. So right, that's what I ended up doing, and right now we're gonna go outside so we can go look what the box looks like. I had my wife help me out yesterday, put it inside the cab. So it's a really tight fit, but everything is, it looks good so far. But I'm gonna show you, just that it's raining very bad outside. All right, so it's kind of raining, so let's rush over to the truck real quick and hop inside. I have a mess in here. All right, so as you guys can see, that's what it looks like inside there. It's a very tight fit. I have the Skars, they're all wired up already. I still have to rewire these cables here because these are the ones that go up to the cab on top, and I'm gonna have to run these cables over here whenever I do the new speakers on the sides. But that's what it looks like. It's not the best because it have some wrinkle, like some sides I didn't get it perfect. So you know, it's my first time doing it. And then as you guys can see, this is where I have the 2 amps, the other amps all in the bottom. And yeah, I will like take out this center console out so that way you guys can actually see a full whole thing of it, what it looks like. But that's what it looks like right now. All I have to do is do like the power wire, connect back the cables to the, I have to connect the speakers on top back to the amp at the bottom. So you know, those are the things that I have left to do. I still need to kind of clean up this right here because it looks like a mess, and I'm not going to try to leave that right there. This is my first time doing this box, so it's not going to be the greatest at all, but I do like the overall of what it came out. It sounds nice. I don't want to play any kind of music right now because I don't want YouTube to make me take it down or be copyrighted, because when I first started in the beginning, I didn't care at the beginning, but I kind of do now. So that's what it looks like. I don't know what you guys think. What does it look like? Let's come over here to the wiring. I added a mega fuse right here. I still gotta fix that. It's a 100 amp mega fuse, and I have it hooked up to a separate battery because one thing I was noticing is that I had everything kind of connected to that battery, and there's a lot of stuff going on right there. So I try to keep that separate, but I did notice that my alternator is fluctuating. I don't know why. I think I may need a new one, and I just recently got this one, so hopefully it will send me out a new one. If not, I might just end up buying a new one that has more just the outputs more power to it. And I ran a negative cable from here to where my alternator or ground is at to keep it short. Basically that's it. And the power, I ran it all through in here, and it goes right through this panel, and it goes to the back of here, and it goes all the way to the battery. And for here, for my subs, I use I don't know if it was a 12 gauge wire, speaker wire, and then right here I use a splitter. I'm using a 8 gauge power wire, and then it goes to I believe it's a 6 gauge into the amps. But like I said, I still have to clean this all up. But this is basically what I did right here. It's not the best, but it works for now. I just wanted to put some more speakers in here and kind of use up this whole thing. But other than that, guys, this is what my sub box came out to look like. I still have more work to do, but I just want to kind of show you guys how I did mine. I mean, everyone else can do their own style. I've seen people that want to put it here in a center console, but I'm going to put my center console back in here in the middle. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 parts of making my sub box for my Firstgencummins, and just get creative and do whatever you guys want to do. And if you guys have any questions, just feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer your questions as much as possible. Oh, another thing, make sure in order for me to fit this, I had to take out the old seat belts, and they had this right here, so I removed those. They were just right behind there. But yeah, if you want to do the full length, I'll put the dimensions on what mine looked like, and if you guys want to see a PDF file of it with the measurements, hit me up on Instagram and I'll send it over to you guys. I have no problem sending that over to you guys. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.